Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. My pre-order parcel just arrived and I was so excited I wanted to share it all with you. This is the catalogue. I can only show you the front of it at the minute, but I can show you the items that I have pre-ordered for myself. I had a right wee order in it, so I'm going to be happy enough. I'll start off to the top of the box, and we've got 2 packs of paper. This one is called Brightly Gleaming, and I really ordered it because you know I like to do videos, and the quality of this just looked amazing, and it's got lovely like copper effects going through it. Beautiful, beautiful papers. So Christmassy, so lush. I mean, that could do any time of the year, that one there. So good, that one. Well, it's a bit holly, but it's beautiful. Beautiful, I just love it, and of course the pattern on the back of it as well. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I do recommend that set. This one, I mean, who can resist a snowman? Let it snow, and it's a perfect wee snowman-y type papers. Again, lovely cool colours. Mittens. Oh, look at the glitter on that. Beautiful. And if I remember correctly, I have ordered the punch that goes with this, that you can actually punch out that particular paper. So again, that one's called Let It Snow Specialty Paper. I'll not bore you with that. I bought myself some nice new card. And I have a nice couple of packs of the catalogue. If anybody's interested and hasn't got a demonstrator, let me know and I'll post one out to you. Now here is the Snowman Season stamp set, and it comes with a punch. Where are you? This is the punch. Okay, or what? Oh no, sorry, it's sparkling. I can take that wrapper off actually. Well, I can't. Well, I can, but I will not bother. You simply punch him out. You can punch his wee arms out, punch his hat out. They all stamp individually, so you can create your own wee scene, and you can do different things with them. Put the hat different tilts. You can also punch out that paper that we got. So that's a beautiful set, and of course lovely sentiments to and from. Perfect for your tags, and I love making tags. Next one is I've really been looking forward to this. This is the mini curvy keepsakes box. I'm not even going to open it. I don't want to show it to you. And this is the stamp set that comes with it. And you can stamp out your own design onto the wee boxes and make them up. That's going to be one of my videos for next week. And I intend making lots of these for Halloween, for Christmas, for New Year. I am going to have so much fun with these. They're going to be used for money gifts, for sweet treats, for tiny presents. Just perfect. And look at the wee lovely wee sentiments you get on it too, and it's going to be so cool. This is my favourite. This was the reason I could not wait to get my order in. And this of course I got free because I put in a good order. It's a hostess code which you could get if you have a big order in yourself, your first order. You may as well bump it up to get this lovely wee fairy set. It's beautiful. And then I got another wee set. This one actually they're donating, I think they're donating money. This set, Nature's Beauty, and it is just lovely. It's going to be perfect for Christmas scenes. Fox, rabbit, deer, and lovely Christmassy wintry trees and grasses, and perfect. And I got a few embellishments, of course, lovely glittery glitter enamel dots, and the beautiful wee designer stars, which will go perfect with that paper. And my last wee set that I got is the Itty Bitty Christmas, because I think you just need so many different sentiments. I have the Itty Bitty Birthdays, and I definitely was not going to pass up on the Itty Bitty Christmas. I mean, it's so perfect. There's just beautiful sentiments in it. Beautiful. You get the catalogue. I wasn't going to call it a magazine, which actually it is, because there's so much inspiration in it and things to make. You'll just enjoy it. I also went mad with a bit of ribbons. This is only the start of it. I really want lots of them. I just have to have everything matching. This one's called the Black Noir, basic black. That one is beautiful. I mean, look at that. And it's like practically woolly and warm and oh, so Santa Claus looking. And that's called, where are you? Curly Ribbon. Nice. And it's in real red, which I bought the real red card, so I'm matching everything up. Lovely stripy. I mean, you can't beat a stripy ribbon for Christmas. You can't. Diagonal stripe ribbon, and it's in the cherry cobbler, so I'm happy about that. And of course another red one, cotton ribbon, and it's in real red. So I am more than happy with my first order out of the catalogue. If you sign up as a demonstrator before the end of August, you can sign up anytime obviously, but before the end of August you're getting that brilliant deal. Do check it out. I'll put a link below to go, and you can read all about it and decide if it's for you. I mean, even if you only buy the kit and you pick what you want out of the kit, so you can pick all Christmas stuff and that's you covered for Christmas. You're signed up as a demo, you can drop it any time, or you might be like me and really enjoy it and want to stay with us. So give it a wee go and enjoy the pre-order, the fact that you can pre-order now. If you signed up today, you could go and pre-order out of that catalogue right away, and out of the annual catalogue, of course. It never runs done. So give it a wee thought. It's definitely worth your money. You're getting so much extra on the offer at the minute, but only to the end of August. I mean, there is always offers coming and going with Stampin' Up. This one's particularly good, but as I say, it ends on the end of August. So again, if you want a catalogue and you just want to be a shopper, no problem whatsoever. Give me a shout and I'll post one out to you. And either way, I hope you enjoy it. I mean, look at that. What is not to like? Look, there's that wee... Look at the felt. Oh, there's so much you'll want. Honestly, there is so much you'll want. So, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.